Welcome to this week's Value Bomb. Here are 5 tactics to dominate your next open house. I learned this from one of the best real estate coaches in the business, someone that closes about 150 transactions a year. He swears by and teaches all of his junior agents on how to hold these open houses and dominate. The first one is greet people at the door. The main reason you want to greet people at the door is because when somebody comes to your house, you're greeting them. They're worried when they come into the open house, like what's going on. The second thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to offer them, would you like me to tour you around the house, or would you like to take a look and I can answer any questions just before you leave? Number 3, make sure you have a great data collection process so that way you can get their contact information and follow up with them later on. Number 4, engage in feedback. When they're finishing their tour or while you're walking them through the house, ask them to get feedback on the house. What are their likes and what are their dislikes? This way you could either share it with the listing agent that you're holding the open house for, or you could share it with your sellers directly. And finally, number 5, follow up, follow up, follow up. This is the most important thing, is to follow up with each one of those people after the open house. If you want to talk about this, you want me to go over it with you in more detail, please reach out to me at 916-799-3256. Also, don't forget, I am available on the weekends if you do want to hold an open house together.